How to download and play GTA Vice City on your PC. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you are easily able to download and play GTA Vice City on your PC. But before getting started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and search for Rockstar Games, and make sure that you log into your account. So once you get to the official Rockstar Games website, you can see the search icon right beside your profile. Go ahead and click on it and search for Vice City and hit enter. And once you do that, you will find all of the GTA Vice City right here. Now you just want to go ahead and click on the game that you want to download, which is this one right here. Click on it. Then you will just have to click on buy now. It will redirect you to another website, and as you can see here, this one is 60% off right now, so you can just go ahead and click on purchase on the Vice City and click on buy now. And here you are just going to have to enter your account details and then sign in. So once you have done all of this, you will just have to choose a payment method. So if you just want to continue with your credit or debit cards, click on it. Then you just have to enter your account details like your card number and then your expiration date. And once you enter everything, go ahead and enter your expiry date and then finally your CVV and click on continue. Then you should be able to purchase the game easily. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.